some questions I will ask, and you will wait until the completion of the question. The question I will ask, the options I will complete saying, then only you will answer. Okay. Don't immediately listening to the question write down the answer over there. Kindly don't do this. Let me complete the question. Let me say you all the four options. Then only you will type the correct answer. So let's start. Actually, the questions are not prepared. I will frame the questions now only along with the options, and you have to say the correct answer. But remember not to just type the correct answer immediately after listening to the question. Wait. Aman and Ranjan are good dash. So your options are friends, companions, classmates, all of these. Okay, kindly now type the correct answer. Question I have said, options I have said. Anik Adhikari, Devanshu, Sanchari, they are writing. No children. The option is wrong. Just listen properly. I have said friends, classmates, companions, and then all of these. So definitely, this friends it is synonymous for this one companion, and they were classmates. As we have read this storyboard, we have come to know that they were classmates. So all of these is the correct answer. All of these is the correct answer. That's why I have said that before clicking to the option or the answer, you go through the question properly, you go through all the options properly, then only you will click. Otherwise you can make mistakes. So see here, classmates, it is matching because they used to read in the same class. As it is given in the picture, we can find that they are sitting in the same classroom. Moreover, friends and companions means same. These two words, they mean same. And so the option is given all of these. So all of this is the correct option here. Next. Uh, just give me some time. Let me frame the question. Okay, the full form of this acronym OPD is our patient department, our parents department, outpatient department, none of these. Which is the correct option here? Hurry up, type it. Our patient department is wrong. Akash, I cannot repeat the question. Once I have said the question, you have to listen it properly, and the options you have to listen properly. Then only you have to click the correct answer, or you have to type the correct answer. The full form of this acronym OPD is our patient department, our parents department, outpatient department, all of these or none of these. Anik Adhikari, the answer is correct, not incorrect. Anik Adhikari, the answer is incorrect, and Sharanya, correct answer. Anik Adhikari, now again it is wrong answer, beta. It is not our patient department. Sanchari also, it is not our patient department. It is outpatient department. Don't ignore this glossary section. You must read this glossary section properly for each chapter, and as you know that your PT1 syllabus, it includes in the term 1 syllabus. So it is starting from chapter 1 and concluding in chapter 5. This is the syllabus, chapter 1 to 5. Okay, outpatient department is the correct answer. In dash year, The Kerala government made some major changes in the state. In dash year, the Kerala government made some major changes in the state. Now the options are 1997, 1998, 1999, none of these. Hurry up. I'm waiting for the correct option or the correct answer. Hurry up. 3 people are typing. But Sharonna, it was not in the. Yes, Onik Adhikari correct answer, Debanshu correct answer, and Sharonna, it was not there in the option. I have said 1997, 1998, 1999, and none of these. And the correct answer is 1996, which I didn't say. So read the question, check the options, then only go for the correct answer, or try to type the correct answer. Next. In India, the government works at dash levels. So the options are 4, 2, 3, all of these. 4, 2, 3, all of these. Which is the correct answer? In India, the government works at dash levels. Yes, correct option is 3. Correct answer 3. Okay, next. Just wait, children, because I have not prepared the questions. I am framing now only and I am asking you. So give me some time. Okay. A particular area from which all voters living there choose their representatives is known as. Your options are what to say. Actually, the options are not ready. No. What I can say, kingdom, then majority, constituency, none of these. A particular area from which all voters living there choose their representatives. So the options are kingdom, constituency, majority, none of these. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I am waiting for the answer. Hurry up. You have not read, no? And you didn't follow the offline videos which I uploaded in the e-portal. You didn't follow. That's why. Because there in my videos I have said repeatedly to read this glossary section with lots of importance. Correct answer is constituency. If you come to page number 41, you will get from the glossary constituency meaning a particular area from which all the voters living there choose their representatives. Next question. The Samoan Islands are part of a large group of small islands in the dash part of the Pacific Ocean. Now the options are western, northern, southern, all of these. Which is the correct answer? Yes, Onik Adhikari, correct answer. It is southern. The Samoan Islands are part of a large group of small islands in the southern part of Pacific Ocean. Next. Dash was a very important activity on the islands, that means on the Samoan Islands. So here the options are gathering, fishing, cultivation, none of these. Yes, Onik Adhikari, correct answer. It is fishing. Next. The name of Harpreet's mother is. The name of Harpreet's mother is Shonali, Rosie, Jaspreet, none of these. Which is the correct option? Yes, Jaspreet. Onik Adhikari, always to click the or write the correct answer. Very good, Onik. And others also, those who are typing the correct answer. Sorry, children. Next. Milani was a teacher, government employee, domestic worker, none of these. Milani was, yes, correct answer, domestic worker. Very good. Okay, then Lakshmi Lakda belonged to a dash family in dash family in dash. Sorry, here the two blanks you have to fill up. So the options are rich tribal family in Jharkhand, poor tribal family in Bihar, rich royal family in Uttar Pradesh, none of these. Yes, Oni, correct answer. None of these because she belonged to a poor tribal family in Jharkhand. Okay. Next. Lakshmi wanted to take dash subject. Lakshmi wanted to take dash subject. So your options are Bengali, Hindi, electronics, none of these. Yes, correct answer Akash, it's electronics. Next. Okay, all of you, correct answer children. Ramabai was given the title Pandita because she could read and write Hindi, Urdu, Sanskrit, all of these. Yes, correct. Akash, Sanskrit. The answer is Sanskrit. Next. Rokia Swakat Hoshen knew how to read and write Urdu, but she was stopped from learning dash and dash. So the options are Bangla and Hindi, English and Hindi, Bangla and English, none of these. English and Bangla. Very good. Next. Rash Sundari Devi wrote her autobiography in Bangla at the age 70, 80, 40, none of these. Yes, correct answer Akash because the answer is actually 60. Okay, the name of the book written by Rashundari Devi is Amar Kahini, Amar Shongit, Amar Jibon, all of these. Yes, Amar Jibon. Correct answer. Next question can be like this. After learning the alphabet, Ras Sundari Devi was able to read the Chaitanya Mahapuran, Chaitanya Puran, Chaitanya Jivani, none of these. The correct option is yes, none of these, because the actual answer is Chaitanya Bhagavat. Okay, children, my class is about to end. Now you have got the idea that what sort of questions might come and how you need to prepare yourself for your upcoming SSC exam, especially the civics portion, which I or which I take. I'm trying to guide you. So kindly see, in this way you have to prepare yourself. Don't ignore the glossary section. 5 minutes more, please. Okay. What if you want to ask anything, Anik Adhikari? If you want to ask anything, you can ask, because my class is about to end, my beta. Yes, my dear, my class is about to ask. Sorry, about to end. Actually, I'm reading there what you have written. Sir, please ask questions. How many more questions I will ask? The class is about to end. Another class I had to take. So you prepare yourself in this manner and read thoroughly the chapters. Don't ignore the glossary section. Read the glossary section also, and read these years. Another question I will ask. Just give the importance. Sorry, pay your attention here. A law was passed in Dash to give women who face physical and mental violence within their homes, also called domestic violence, some legal protection. So this law was passed in the year 2007, 2008, 2009, none of these. Which is the correct option here? With this question, my class will get over. No, Anik, it's wrong. Yes, Akash, correct answer. It is none of these, because the actual answer is 2006. In the year 2006, a law was passed to give women who face physical and mental violence within their homes, also called domestic violence, some legal protection. So wherever you will get these dates and these years, kindly try to remember them. Okay, and read the questions, read the chapter properly. Read all the chapters thoroughly and properly, and even the glossary section. Another question. With this is the last question. With this question, my class will get over. Achha. When someone forcefully breaks the law or a rule or openly shows disrespect, we can say that he or she has committed a dash. So here the options are great deed, master stroke, violation, all of these. Yes, yes, correct answer is violation. When someone forcefully breaks the law or a rule or openly shows disrespect, we can say that he or she has committed a violation. Yes, Akash, this video is recorded, and after the class gets over, I will upload it in the YouTube, and from there I will again upload it in our e-portal. Okay. So children, all the best for your upcoming SSC exam. Bye.